Fourth, flash flood warning. Stay quiet, everyone.
The following is a flood warning for the following counties in Florida, Broward, and Miami-Dade. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flood warning for northern Miami.
Oh, it's a flood warning? Okay, this is different, actually.
Central Broward County in southeastern Florida until midnight. At 9:01
Midnight.
p.m., Doppler radar has indicated that the thunderstorms have ended over the area of the flash flood warnings. However, rainfall amounts of 4 to 7 inches have fallen over the warning area during the last 3 hours, and reports of
4 to
still
7
flooding on
inches.
streets across the area. This amount of rainfall will take some time to drain away due to the very saturated grounds. Therefore, the flash flood warnings have been replaced with a flood warning. Some locations that will experience flooding include Miami, Hialeah, Miramar, Miami Beach, and Coral Gables. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. While the heavy rainfall has ended, flooding remains a threat around canals and streams, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.
Flood warning. Not a flash flood warning, just flood warning.